Hello everyone, I am Utshak. So welcome to my channel. So today we are going to know about two companies that are currently hiring. So the first one is Fees. Fees is a global fintech company and it comes under American Global Fortune 500 company. So it's hiring through its university program 2021 named Fees University Program 2021. So at first we will be looking into the eligibility criteria. So the first eligibility criteria is you should be a 2021 pass out and you should be registered under a full-time BTech course and your stream should be between CSE and IT and you should have 60% or 6.5 CGPA throughout your academics career. That means your 10th, 12th or diploma and your graduation without any backlogs till date. And the total compensation or CTC they are offering is 5 lakh per annum and your job location will be pan India and you should be available for 24/7 shift. That means if they require you for the night shift, then you should be available for it. And any applicant who are currently is working under any organization, whether it's a full-time or contract or any kind of internship, they are not eligible for this requirement. And this is the registration form and I will be sharing this link in my video description, so you'll be getting this easily. And here they want the basic details, that means your name, your email ID, your Aadhaar card number, PAN card number, mobile number, your 10th and 12 percentage, your university name, your college name, that's it. And the next company is Redbus, that is using PrepBytes IDE for their hiring challenge named Redbus Hiring Challenge September 21. And you all know about Redbus, it doesn't need any kind of introduction. It's an online bus ticketing platform and the challenge date is 21st September, that means today 7 p.m. onwards. And you can register for this challenge using this register option and I will be sharing this link also in my video description. And the duration of the contest is 3 hours and so far 5,000 plus candidates have registered for it and it's not a rated contest. So when you will be solving any kind of problem in the contest, your rank, your username and your score will be updated here. And the CTC they are offering currently is 8 to 12 LPA and it is based on your contest performance and interview performance. So what are the guidelines? So you should be 2019, 2020 and 2021 pass out. Other batches are not eligible for this contest and you should be available for immediate joining. And candidates should have strong knowledge in problem solving, data structure, logical building skills, etc. And if you have knowledge in Python and Java language, it will add extra credit in your resume and performance. And there will be several interview rounds based on your performance and final hiring will be happening based on these interviews. And if you get caught in any kind of plagiarism, then you will be disqualified from this challenge. So here are the commonly asked questions. So how will you be referred for this interview? So only the top 25%, only the top 25 participants from this contest will be referred for Redbus and PrepByte will refer you. So who can participate in this contest? So as per the eligible criteria that are mentioned here above, if you are eligible based on this criteria, then you can participate in this contest and you have to register before participating in this contest and you do not need to pay any kind of fees for it. And how does the ranking work in this contest? One with more correct submission in less amount of time will be ranked higher. So you can find these FAQs here bottom. So these are the two companies that are currently hiring. So if you get any kind of help from this video, then please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question for me, then please feel free to comment it. Otherwise, here in the comment section of this video, otherwise you can connect with me in the LinkedIn. So thank you.